This chocolate protein chia seed pudding is the ultimate filling breakfast or snack that is so quick and easy to prepare. This is the pudding that tastes like a treat without the sugar crash or hunger craves. Start with a bowl or mason jar to mix all of your ingredients together. I already have 4 tablespoons of chia seeds in here. Add 1/3 a cup of chocolate protein powder. I'm using whey protein powder here. Add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Make sure it's unsweetened and not loaded with sugar. And finally, add 1 cup of milk. I'm using unsweetened vanilla almond milk here. 4 ingredients is all you need for the base, and it tastes great as is. However, you can add a tablespoon of sweetener if your protein powder isn't sweet enough, add a pinch of salt, and add a pinch of vanilla if you like. Since my protein powder is already sweet enough, I'm adding just a pinch of salt and a pinch of vanilla for today. Mix everything together until there are no visible clumps. Cover your bowl or jar, then place it in the fridge overnight or for 8 to 12 hours. After 8 to 12 hours, it should be firm and no longer jiggly. Then you're set to enjoy your chocolate protein chia seed pudding. Although I didn't add any here, feel free to add toppings such as fresh berries, sliced bananas, crushed nuts, or shredded coconut flakes. This recipe is best made overnight, but if you want to have it the same day, I would recommend waiting a minimum of 6 hours to get an ideal creamy pudding texture. If you plan on taking this with you on the go, I highly recommend placing it in a mason jar so it's easier to transport. These last up to 5 days in the fridge, so you can make a bunch of these ahead of time so you have a ready to go high protein breakfast for the entire week. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.